sideways. Sideways like this. Hold the hammer sideways like that. Okay? Wait a minute.
Oh God.
That's good. Okay. Now Emily's gonna say a little prayer. Go ahead and fold your hands and say a little prayer about the bird, okay? And we can call him Benjamin.
Jesus, I want the bird to come alive again because I really like him. Amen.
He was a great bird. We loved him a lot, even though he hit the window and it was a short life. You're not supposed to be laughing, man.
It's
No, it's not.
because he caught into the window and then he hurt his neck.
Oh, goodness.
Why are you laughing?
Not funny. He was a good bird. It was Benjamin Bird. Did you get a close-up of Benjamin Bird here?
Oh, a spider. Look.